Hi. Hello. Welcome. This is VLK, Vera Level Calvi YouTube channel. In the world of data, visuals are everything. They bring life to numbers, turning cold statistics into compelling stories. And when it comes to data visualization, Power BI is the king. Power BI offers a vast array of visuals, each designed to tell a specific story. Let's explore some of the most popular ones. Line chart, ideal for showing trends over time. Imagine it as a journey, with a line tracing the path. Bar chart, perfect for comparing values across categories. Think of it like a race, with each bar representing a competitor. Pie chart, great for visualizing the composition of a whole. Picture it as a delicious pie, with each slice representing a different flavor. Scatter plot, used to uncover relationships between two variables. Think of it as a dance floor, with each dot representing a couple. Histogram, visualizes the distribution of numerical data. Imagine it as a bar chart where the bars are touching. Box plot, shows the distribution of data, including the median, quartiles, and outliers. Think of it as a box with whiskers. Heat map, represents data using color. Imagine a map where the color indicates the value at each location. Waterfall chart, perfect for visualizing financial data. Think of it as a waterfall, with each bar representing a financial category. Funnel chart, used to visualize a series of steps or stages in a process. Imagine it as a funnel, with each stage representing a narrower part. Bullet chart, compares a metric to a target value. Think of it as a bullet with a target. But visuals are just the beginning. Power BI also offers interactive features like slicers and filters, allowing you to drill down into your data and uncover hidden insights. From simple charts to complex dashboards, Power BI empowers you to create stunning visualizations that captivate your audience and drive informed decision-making. So the next time you're faced with a mountain of data, remember Power BI. It's your visual storytelling tool. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a like and leave a comment below. Share this video with your friends and family who might also be interested. Hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with my latest videos.